Hey there, it's Courtly Cole. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we will be trying on the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bombs. I'm so excited about these. I have the Diamond Milk and the original one, I forgot the name, but I'm completely out. It came like this, and I just ordered it off their website. All right, so here's all three. The Fenty Beauty at the top, and then on the sides, it has the name. And so the three names are Hot Chocolate, Sweet Mouth, and Glass Slipper, which I'm really excited to try Glass Slipper because I absolutely love a clear gloss. Like, I just love it because you need a clear gloss in your life. So I think we'll go from like darkest to lightest. So let's try Hot Chocolate first. Let's see. And it's the same packaging as her other glosses. And so again, this one is Hot Chocolate. I like the smell of hers. I don't know like how to explain the smell, but it's a smell. It's a smell. But let's see. That's cute. Okay, so next one I'm gonna try is called Sweet Mouth. This one's cute. It's like a soft pink. Kobe, can you please get out of my frame, please? Hey, Kobe, can you please get out the frame? Thank you. Yeah, come closer. There we go. Okay. The last one we're gonna try is Glass Slipper. Glass Slipper is just like a straight up clear gloss, which I feel like we all need a clear gloss in our life. Look at that. Okay. Yes. I love a clear gloss. And this is what clear gloss looks like. I actually think that I want to try the clear gloss with a lip liner because normally every day, actually, because I'm too lazy to put on anything, I normally just take a lip liner, one of my favorite lip liners, and from there I actually just put on chapstick and I like, what's the word I'm looking for? Like massage them together, and from there it like looks like it makes my lips look fuller. So I just kind of want to try it with a lip liner, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go in with Cork Lip Liner by MAC. This is literally like, if you don't have this, you should have. I feel like every girl, woman, man, whoever wears makeup, they should have Cork Lip Liner in their possession because it is literally a game changer and it works with everything. Like I think I line my lips every day with this, but I like tend to like any lipstick I wear, I'm normally gonna line it with Cork. It's just like such a staple, So I'm gonna line my lips with this. I really wanna see how it looks. Yeah. People like, it's so funny, like Sometimes people will be like, oh, your lips look really full. And literally all I do is line my lips with cork lip liner in the morning. And then I put chapstick over it because I think it just looks good. And I don't like putting makeup on every day. Like, I don't put makeup on every day. The only thing you'll see me in every day is my brows. And that's on a good day. Some days I don't even feel like doing that because they're microbladed. So it's just kind of like, all right, so let's do that. Oh yeah, this is an everyday. This is an everyday look. I would totally wear this every single day. Wow, that's cute. Yeah, that's really cute. I'm feeling this. I'm totally feeling this for every day. Yeah. Let's say my favorites. Do I have any favorites? Pretty sure this video shows which one's my favorite, but honestly I liked all three of these because they can be worn every single day. They're not like super out there, and I'm very, very basic. I'm just very basic, and I feel like these lip glosses were made for me. I'm literally almost out of Diamond Milk, and I'm almost out of the original. I don't know why I can't think of that name. I like them. I highly recommend them, and if anyone, I would really recommend the clear gloss, and its name is Glass Slipper. I would definitely recommend Glass Slipper if you've never tried Fenty Beauty's lip glosses before, or if you have and you really like them. I would definitely have this as a everyday, just because you can line your lips with whatever color and then fill this in and it will look great. Or you can even put on like your liquid lipsticks and put the Glass Slipper on top of it. I love Fenty Beauty's Stunt. Why can't I remember these names? I think it was called Stunt. It's like Stunner, the red. I'm obsessed with that. Like, that is my go-to red lip. And so I would put this on top of it just to have like a gloss look, because I just love lip gloss. I like liquid lipsticks too, but I just feel like a gloss just like brings it all together and it just looks so bomb. And especially if you already have like highlight on, girl, you're gonna be flossing, you're gonna be shining. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up, and also comment below if you've ever tried these gloss bombs before. Do you love them? Like, have you gotten the new ones? I just want to know your thoughts. So don't forget to comment below and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.